Hello, good morning. Welcome to ISC 2024 here in Barcelona. My name's Tony from Crystal Displays. I'm here to introduce you to a new extension to Glorystar's Star Control software called Musia. So those of you who may be familiar with Star Control is that it's an extensive MDM system that comes bundled with the Glorystar devices that enables you to remotely manage your devices when they're out there installed in the real world environment. That MDM system enables you to manage the functions of the device that you would find in the Star Control platform. But what it hasn't done up until now is enable you to actually deliver content to the screens. And our customers have asked us if that could be an option to use with their devices, so they have an all-encompassing system both for the management of the device, but also for delivering content. So that was where the concept of Musia arrived. The Musia, as I mentioned, will be an add-on to Star Control, and it will be linked to your Star Control account, and you will have a new web login. Here you'll see it at Musia Star Control, and within here you can create your board, which is your playlist of content for your screen, and be able to then push it to the screen from Musia. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it. This is a preliminary release, so it is currently in beta stage, but I'll give you a good idea of how it's going to work. So here is the home screen. You'll see here's an example of some boards that have been created in the past. I'll talk you through the process. So first of all, you need to create a board. So on the home screen, you'll see we've already allowed for several different templates for you to be able to use: full screen, dual rows. So this enables you to have already templated options, and you can just drag your content, videos, images into it, or you can do it on your own. So with a free board, you have complete control over your canvas to be able to deliver any windows that you want onto the screen. So at the bottom here, you'll see we have images, videos, texts, RSS feeds, and scrolling text as well. So very, very simple. All you need to do is drag those boxes onto the canvas, decide where you want to go. You can actually assign starting points and grid sizes in pixels here as well if you have specific requirements. And then you have your source type. So you can define a website, a URL, or a file. So you can simply select from a library of images and videos that you can upload to a background library. Again, so I've got an image there. I'll drag a video in here as an example. And once your images are there and your video is there, let's just select another video for this one. Okay, I'm not a creative guy, so these aren't as good as they could be, but I'll give you an example. We've got one image, one video, and I want to then push that to the board. When you save the board, it will then give you a couple of options. So either push to device or export as zip. So the export as zip is designed for if you have an offline device or a closed network where you can't push it out. So you can literally take that to a Glorystar device that's running Star Control, plug it in, and it will automatically update the content. Or if you have this device linked to your Star Control account, when you click push to device, it'll come up with a list of devices in your network that you can then push the image to. So if we click that, we can then publish it to the device, and that will then push that out to all those devices that you've assigned, and you have your content updated. As I said, this is a beta release, so we're adding functions all the time. There'll be functions for example, grouping these to make it easier if you have different locations that are grouped together, and additional functions will be added as the system develops. If you'd like any more information, please click the links below or go to glorystargroup.com. Thank you very much.